This is an amazing trick that will transform your car headlights in no time without replacing them. A simple method that saves you money on expensive cleaning products. You only need these items. The first one is a lemon. It dissolves dirt and water stains perfectly. To clean the headlights, just cut the lemon in half. The second is baking soda. It removes dirt, polishes, and scrubs without scratching the surface. These two simple ingredients are the secret to making your headlights shine like new. Just sprinkle the lemon with baking soda and start scrubbing. The lemon releases juice and the cleaning takes only a few seconds. Watch as the headlights regain their original shine second by second. Simply wipe them dry afterward. Look at these brilliant results. I regret finding out about this so late.